Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to recover Line password. First, open the Line application. On the login page, tap or click Login. Then, once you're in an interface where you have to put your email and password, tap on Forgot Your Password button. But the question is, what if you don't have access to your main device anymore? For example, lost phone, broken phone, or uninstalled line. This is the most challenging scenario. If you cannot access the main device where you are already logged in, the direct password reset method won't work immediately on a new device. In this situation, you are essentially trying to recover your account without being logged in anywhere. In this severe case, you will have to try to log in on the new device using a linked account. If you previously linked your Line account to your Google, Apple ID, or Facebook account, try using those login options on the new device. This might bypass the password requirement if you are trying to migrate your account. And if these doesn't work, contact Line customer service. This is the absolute last resort. Go to the Line Help Center. You can search for Line Help Center online. Look for a contact us or submit an inquiry form. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible. Your registered phone number, the email you think was registered, any linked social media accounts, your last login date, any previous device IDs, and a clear explanation of your situation. For example, lost my main device, cannot access password reset link. Be prepared for a potential slow response time.